Check this out. This thing's This thing is electrical. Nobody's on this thing. Can you believe this? They just took that man's job, the one that used to ride around cleaning the floor. Check this out. Nobody driving it, look. Nobody's driving the motherfucker, man. Can you believe this shit? It's crazy, man. I ain't never seen no shit like this in my life. This is at Walmart. Look at this, man. Fucking robot. Fucking robot, bro. He took that man's job. He took his job. He took his job, man. And ain't that some stuff, man? Nobody's driving it. Oh, it stopped. That's crazy. Well, I just wanted y'all to see. I just wanted y'all to see this crazy stuff, alright? See, this is the future. You think it's gonna hit me or it's gonna keep going? Huh? It's coming up on me. Think it's gonna hit me or keep going? We'll find out. Oh shit, it's getting close, dog. It's getting close. Oh. Yeah. That's crazy. That's ghost riding. That's ghost riding. Oh shit, it just stopped. That's ghost riding. That's crazy. I want to be the first to put that one out. Alright.